Hi, this is Lisa from LacyYangJewelry.com. Today I'd like to show you how I make nice even loops on my bead chain links. So I'm starting off today with 3 pieces of 2-inch wire and 8mm glass pearls. So the reason why I have 3 pieces of wire, the first piece of wire is going to tell me how long my wire needs to be. The second piece of wire I'm going to use to verify that length. And then the third piece of wire is going to be my template to cut all of the rest of them. So far I made a loop using the second largest barrel of my step pliers. I've added a bead and I bend the wire to almost a 90-degree angle. And now instead of starting at the end of the wire, which is where I normally start my loops, I'm going to press it as close as I can above the bead and just manually wrap it around the barrel. And so this will give me a loop. Then I can come in with my flush cutters and I'm going to cut it right where they overlap. So I have a nice even loop and I can adjust it and make sure it closes. So now I know how much wire was extra. I'm going to take the second piece of wire and I'm going to verify that that's correct. So I'm just going to line up the 2 pieces of wire, use my cutters, line them up at the bottom here and cut off the extra. So now this wire is how much wire I think I need for each of my links, and I'm going to use it to verify. So I make the first loop and I center it, and I'm going to add my bead again, and I'll bend it over at a 90-degree angle on top of the bead, nice and close. And now I'm going to start at the end of the wire, place the wire just so I can barely see it, and turn my loop, and it comes out just right. Make an adjustment, and now I can take this last piece of wire and I know how much wire I need to trim off. I'll adjust the length of this one, and I'll cut all of the rest of the wires for this project the same length. I have a template, and I'll also record this length, which is looks like it's about 33 to 35 millimeters, somewhere in there. I'm not being exact, but I'll record this down in my notebook, so next time I go to make a project like this, I'll have the measurements. And once I have all my links, I'll just open up the loop using my pliers and connect them. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions or comments, add them here. And you can check out more of my free projects and tutorials at my website, LacyYangJewelry.com. Thanks, have a great day.